Hi guys, so this is our first day in the office, in our Manila office. So let's see how will the week will unfold. Charis. Guys, we are on our way to IKEA. Hey, hey, hey. Let's see kung makakapasok tayo dahil wala kaming membership. So, nakapasok kami guys. Kasi, hindi, may cashier. Pero, ito yung, I don't know, baka dinouble secure lang nila yung balot nila. Go over. Hi, sis. Let's look for... Ayan. Ayan, search keyword ka na. Kimbabo. Yan. Eh. Yan.
Bags.
Lagage.
Asa ng B? Bags.
Luggage ulit may pwede nga search.
Mag-scroll na lang tayo.
At dito na nga nagsimula ang kahihiyan ni Jeremy sa IKEA. Oh my goodness. So this, just for everyone's knowledge, kapag bibili ka ng ice cream sa IKEA, kailangan bumili or magpapalit ng peso doon sa counter nila. Which is, I'm trying to do right here is pinapasok ko yung 10 pesos which is mali. And then I'm complaining, pero mali pala ako. So that's a learning for me and an embarrassing moment for me. Shaka learns! I'm not so mindful, not so cutesy, not so demure on this part of the process.
Bumo sa ice cream, nabubuo ko sa 10 pisong ice cream. Pucha. Hello, bears. Nabubuo ka, loka. Nakakahiya.
Oh. Ayaw ni Ver. Kung matitesting yung common sense mo, katoka. At least try mong maging magpaka-humble. dito kaya-clips yung vlog ko. Oh?
Ito yung vlog mo.
Boss you.
Kunyari, first day.
So, ito yung likod ng hotel. Correct. Tapos, ayun yung hotel. This is the reality. This is the reality. So, this is another day in the condo kung saan kami nag-work as well. Dun lang sa ibang floor. So, nagpe-prepare and this is where I really appreciate working from home because I will not go through this every day. Pag-ayos, pagko-commute and so on. So, I'm so grateful. So, hi guys! Remember IKEA? So, doon tayo last na nagkita, diba? I can lose when I move. I can snooze, I can lose. True, need ko na ubusin. Masyas na dahil.
Ikaw ba naman, ilang oras siyang naka-aircon? Walang patayan. Kaya na pag next week. Ito yung pinibili ko. Tapos bibili ako sa
So, hi guys. Kapuyat ko naman data. So, nandito tayo sa 12th floor. Hi guys! O, diba? Hi guys! It's already our 5th day. In the busy Manila. So, here's my background. We are on the 34th floor. And it's our... Nakapag-vlog ko mo itong last day. That's fine. Tinatamad tayo guys kasi wala lang akong magandang titignan dito. Ay, may makita nga pala kayong maganda. Yung mag-IKEA tayo. It's just very early in the morning. Pero sobra na yung traffic, guys. Hi guys! It's our last day here in Manila. So, pauwi na po kami after 5 days. Goodbye!
Lanterns!
Ah,
Out na sila, na-stress na.
tara na! Let's go!
Hindi ko close din doon eh.
True.
Ay,
Nanit, ating gagana ng gripo?
na. Yung flash.
Pag vlogger ka na, oh, akala mo!
Oh, yung ano? Ito to.
Saan tayo pupunta?
27! Saan tayo pumunta?
Aray, may liw. On 34th floor.
Ay, bibigay daw dito kay Sir Chris na mga ganito.
Wow, para, alisin niya na lang kung gusto niya alisin. Pati yung mga luma eh.
Ay, hindi ko
Parang
napansin.
10 years, parang halos luma na. Ano yung luma pero last year na pa.